Okay, so I take it you have practiced and you have your chord nicely and smoothly. I'll give you an idea what I mean by that. One, two, three, four to G. One, two, three, four to A. One, two, three, four, and to F. One, two, three, four. Okay, so how can we do? What can we do to make this sound a bit more entertaining? Well, we could start with our left hand and make it more stronger. So let's double up on the left hand. So it helps with C. So here's middle C with the first chord, right hand. Take your thumb to the next C, and then double that with the next C over. That's where we start from. So we'll go C. What's after C? Do you remember? After C is G. So we go down here. After G we have A. And then we go back to F. Alright, so let's try so that sounds like we do the whole thing now. Something else. If I go, it's like it makes it a bit more sweeter. So we go to, let's do our right hand, see what I just did. I went C, as you all know, 2, 3, 4, what's next? G, 2, 3. Right, I want to do, right, from the G here, move your thumb to this black note, G sharp, which is the next one here. So just like 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth one, just change one note. 4, and then go to your A chord. 3, 4, and then back to F. Let's try it together from the start. Just our right hands. Again, from C. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to A. 2, 3, 4, and finish on F. 1, 2. So let's add these ingredients now. Left hand is doubled up, right hand has some extra spices. Let's go again. Do one more thing, please. Joe, listen. Left hand, do one more thing. Before we go back to C, to repeat ourselves, let's go to B just before the C. Let's try what happens there. Four, left hand. 4, 1, So far, on the 4 beats, something happens sometimes. So when we're on G, we go 1, 2, 3, and on the 4 we hit here. And then on the left hand, we'll be coming back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2 on the F, 3 on the 4. We change our left hand to the B, 4, and then C. I'll give you one more bonus. When we change our 4 on the G, 1, 2, 3, and we go 4 here, let's also do the same with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Right, let's try that. So let's try that first, see how we do that. 1, 2, 3, 4 to G. 1, 2, 3, right now. 4, and then go to A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go to F. 1, 2, 3, left hand changes. 4, 1. You can play around with that so many ways and then come up with your own style. So I'm going to do what we just did to show you what to practice. Bit confused there, but alright, what I'm going to do now is do the same thing one more time, but I'm going to do the, instead of going to G here, my right hand, I'm going to go backwards. So let's try that. That sounds a bit more deeper, fatter. The sound is more surround. So it depends your taste. I'm going to do that one more time just to make you hear a difference. So I'm going to play the first one going from C to G over here. And the second time I play on the repeat, I'm going to go from C to G here. And let's see which one sounds better in your opinion. And sometimes that's even a way of making it more spicy. Sometimes go here and sometimes go there. So let's try both of them. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to learn more,